Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then please like and subscribe my channel if you like my reading. Friends, come on, let's see what's the current feeling of your partner. Chariot, it is a chariot, 10 of pentacles and a page of wands. Chariot, I can see that your partner is definitely thinking about long-term commitment about you, and since you have walked away from your partner or your partner has walked away from you. As you walked away or that person walked away, after that that person realized what you are for him. Because 10 of pentacles and chariot card clearly shows that the person thinks you as a marriage material or long term commitment person. So definitely that person is thinking a lot about you and is thinking long term commitment with you. Definitely I can definitely say that after you or that person walked away from each other, it's 11 definitely 100%. I can assure you that your partner is thinking about long term marriage. 11 is also card of permanent commitment card. It's definitely cultivates into marriage or something contract. Definitely discussing a lot about you with his family or friends, whoever is close to that person is discussing about this, taking this step with you. And Ace of Swords is a card where the person speaks truth and only truth, and he will come and speak his or her truth to you, that how much that person loves you and what you mean for that person. Because that person's mind continuously, you are going in his mind and that person's mind, and is thinking about long term commitment with you. These cards are very beautiful cards, and it rarely opens 11 card and 10 of pentacles together. And then these cards open, definitely your partner is thinking of giving commitment to you, and he or she will come and speak his or her truth to you, that definitely that person is in love with you. And this card definitely shows that only. In the past that person had many options, and he was thinking about so many options in his life. He went through all the options in his life, but such thing something happened in that the person's life, and now he's going through major transformation. That person has changed a lot. At present he is going through a transformation phase. When a person goes through a transformation phase, he realizes his own truth, what is in his heart, what is in his or her heart. He definitely has realized that you are meant for him, and he is going through the transformation, and he has rejected all those options right now, and he is moving towards you. That's in Fool card. Wow, so many beautiful cards. Fool card means the conscious person is taking a new leap of faith with you. Will definitely take a leap of faith with you. And Six of Pentacles denotes that the person will come and balance your relation with him, and definitely he's going to give a commitment to you, because in the past he has gone through a lot of soul searching, and he has thought a lot about this. He must have spent a lot of time thinking about you, and I'm sure he wants to come. And now Ace of Wands, when a person comes in Ace of Wands energy, he's very passionate about you. When Ace of Wands opens the action card, and when a passionate or passionately a person, something is sexually, you must be sexually passionate about you. That's the feeling he is having. Do I need to say more about this? Because so many good cards have opened, and Chariot is a card of victory. Definitely your partner will take action towards you, and he is moving towards you. Let me see what is his current situation your partner is at present. So many cards. See, I was so right. The door to your union has opened. The universe is giving him a clean sign, and two again, 2 2 4 4 is the card of number of stability, a relationship, a commitment, and definitely your partner is coming towards you, because the doors of heaven has also opened, and doors of your union has opened, and you can see as a heart is being made. This definitely your partner is coming towards you. and the fish 34 crore partner has been matlab it will be so smooth, everything will be so smooth in your life. He will come and everything will happen so smoothly, you will not even realize ki how smoothly all these things has happened. So many troubles must have been there in the past, but right now I don't see any troubles in your life, and I see a partner definitely coming. And see, you can see, you yourself can see your palace being built with this partner of yours. You can definitely I can assure you for this. Let me see what the angels wants to say. See the bottom of the card, it's yes, and definitely yes, your partner is coming. Angels have also assured this, and I'm sure about it. Ask for help from others. Your partners must be asking for help from your common friends or some relatives or some anyone who is in common between you to help him, or he must be even asking help from the universe to guide him how he or she should approach you. Be assertive. He is very assertive about it, and definitely he will come towards you because angels are guiding him. Angels are guiding him because the doors to the heaven, doors to the open doors have opened. Your union portal has opened, and again yes, again the yes card has opened, and again the second confirmation from the universe. I can definitely see your partner is coming towards you. I'm really so happy. These cards and these cards, all these cards are showing me that your partner is so much passionately in love with you and is thinking of taking a new leap of faith with you, and he will balance this relationship, and this relationship will cultivate into marriage or long-term relationship, and you will have a big nice family. I'm really so much happy. All these cards are saying yes and only yes. Now see what is in his mind and heart. Too much has been unsaid. No need to have a heart-to-heart conversation. In the past, you had so many things he has already told you. Now there will only have a you will only talk only direct marriage, and nothing else is going to talk. Definitely is going to talk about only marriage, and definitely it will be everything will be very sudden and everything will be very nice. First, I used to escape from my current situation. If in the past, he used to escape in his current situation, he used to always avoid this relationship because the relationship scared him, because the relationship in the past was scaring him. Now he's thinking of you brings a smile to my face. I've never felt this way before. Now when he has realized your love, his love for you, now he's telling I never felt this way before, because when the person realizes his or her true love, that feeling is altogether different. You know very well how we feel when we are in true love, and that's the feeling your partner is feeling right now for you. I'm really happy. Hope you like my reading, and if you like my reading, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.